Hi guys, welcome to Grammar. Today we're going to be talking about homophones. We're on workbook pages 171, 172. I'm going to do page 171 with you. Your assignment will be to do page 172. And then you're going to go to IXL and you're going to go to the 4th grade skill and you're going to go to BV1 and it's homophones. You need to do that for me. Our objective is to recognize homophones. If you remember, homophones are words that sound the same but they're spelled differently and most likely have a different meaning. So it says here, homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings and usually different spellings. Refer to page 349, 350 in the Grammar Handbook for the meanings of some common homophones. The sky is blue and the wind blew the leaves in the trees. Those are their two sentences. So they've used the word blue and blue. They sound the same. They have different spelling. This is the color, and this is the past tense of blow. All right, so that's what you're going to be watching for. And on this page, it gives you a list of common homophones, and then you're going to go to your IXL, and you'll probably run into a few more. For our guided practice today, we're going to read these 4 problems. They each have 2 sentences and you have to figure out which homophone is used correctly in the sentence. So your directions are to fill in the circle to each sentence with the correct homophone. Use work text page 349 and 350 if necessary. That's if you need to figure out what does the word mean. What word is used appropriately in the sentence. Number 1. Both the sentences say, I knew the answer to the question. The homophone in those sentences are knew and knew. This, when it starts with the K, has to do with knowledge. K starts with knowledge. So this is the appropriate homophone for this sentence. I knew the question or the answer to the question. This is if something is new, a new purchase, opposite of old. 2, sailors can make many different kinds of knots. Our homophone here are knots or knots. All right? When we're talking about a knot, this is like did not, that kind of thing. This one here is when you tie a knot in your shoe or anything like that. So if the sailors tied the knot, that's what we're talking about. 3, the scent of the flowers filled the room. Our homophone is scent or scent. This is if you send something out. This is the past tense of send. This, SC, is when you smell something. That's the scent. So in this, we need scent. We're talking about the scent of flowers. How much? 4. How much do bananas weigh? Our homophone is weigh or weigh. All right? They sound the same, but we've got 2 different meanings. What way are you going or how much do you weigh? The sentence says, how much do the bananas weigh? So we need WEIGH. All right? Your job is to complete page 172. They're asking you to fill in the correct homophone. Now, if you look at this independent practice, it says, write the homophones correctly in each sentence. If you look at number 1, they've given you the word would, like would you be able to do that? Or would in regards to a piece of wood. And you've got to fill in the question or the sentence correctly. And it says, would you please stack up the wood? So this would comes first. This is the second one. So each of these sentences have a pair of homophones and you have to decide where do they place in the sentence. In the second section, it says fill in the circle next to each sentence with the correct homophone. That's exactly what we did over here on the guided practice. And then apply and write. Choose a pair of homophones from page 171. So it's asking you to use one of these pairs. And then write a riddle using both homophones in the question. One has been done for you. So the riddle question is, why was the horse horse? The H-O-R-S-E is the animal. H-O-A-R-S-E is when your voice is hoarse. Remember when I lost my voice? That's how that would be spelled. And then the answer is, he had lost his neigh. So they want you to write a riddle using a homophone. All right, your assignment, finish 172. Go to your IXL, do your 4th grade skill, BB1, it's homophones. That's what I need from you. Good luck. See you tomorrow.